Alright, your unc. I got a brand new internet high speed from T-Mobile. I'm gonna check it out and test it. I've been waiting for this and it's finally available in my area, so let's go and see what it's like to have 5G. You know, a lot of the Asian countries has way faster internet than us. So when you first open it, comes with a little packet. Home internet. There it is, high-speed internet. Alright, here comes the moment of truth. Without any setting, it's only on 3 bars. Let's see how fast it is. It's not really that fast. Not bad, 74, 75. That's still better than before. The upload is not that fast either. Alright, that's the setting up. So I'm going to be moving it around my Harley and trying to figure out where is the fast. Let me move it. Oh, the bars are lower. It's showing 3 bars right now. Oh, but the upload is much faster by standing it up. I'm gonna have an interesting time playing with this thing. Alright. So I moved to a different part of the place of my house. And the download's about the same, but the upload's much better. Kind of about the same. I'll keep searching. So finally we settle on one location. The speeds kind of vary even over here. Sometimes it reaches as fast as 300. Sometimes it's at 200. As you can see here, I'm going to refresh again. See that is the same location, but I get the about maybe 3. Yeah, so it's pretty good speed, and then pretty good upload speed too. And this is done through Wi-Fi. So all in all, for $55 a month, the T-Mobile at Home network using. I'm getting 3-bar connection, and I'm gonna use my phone to run a speed test, as you can see, literally on top of the device. See how fast it is. It's not bad, but it changes based on what it's doing. But it reached 500 at one time. This is my other computer, and you can see the speed is slightly different. Yeah. So overall, and this is done via Wi-Fi as well. I have no hard wire because the Wi-Fi router is pretty far away from the computers. And then the other thing that I would suggest you do as you're setting up is there's a lot of internal settings done actually by T-Mobile himself. There's really not much setting you can do within the router itself, so I would suggest you give them a call to find out whether you have services available in the area. You just do a search for Tmobile Home Internet on your search, and then click on a link right there, and then you just go ahead this. I'll tell you whether it's available for you or not. Really, I called the toll-free number a couple of times, and by them doing some kind of settings on their area, my speed got up much faster. So for all those people that said that you can do certain settings within the router, yes you can, but there's really not much you can do. The best suggestion I would have for you is just to call T-Mobile, and I'll leave the phone number on the screen for you guys to call them and really check it out. It's very, very good. Uncle Berkeley Yoga, peace out. Alright, your Unc, I got a brand new internet high speed from T-Mobile. I'm gonna check it out and test it. I've been waiting for this and it's finally available in my area, so let's go and see what it's like. They have 5G. You know, a lot of the Asian countries has way faster internet than us. So when you first open it, comes with a little packet. Home Internet. There it is. High-speed internet. High-speed internet. Well, let's see how it's set up. Position. Yeah, that's very important apparently. I gotta download some app or something. There it goes. Download the app. So the first thing I gotta do is I just place it somewhere. Power it on. Oh, let's see. Oh, there it is. Let's see in here. That's the power supply. Ethernet cable, which we call 10 base T cables before. Shiny new toys. Alright. Let's plug it in. Yeah, So it looks like it's got two Ethernet port. This, I don't know, we don't use this. On-off button, USB, and UPS, which they tell me nobody uses. So up here is how you turn it on, I guess. Plug it in first. What does it do? There it is. And then, is it booting up? In the meantime, I think it's still booting up. It's still booting up. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my iPad and we'll see if there's any new internet. Okay, what does that say? New message. How am I supposed to read that? English. Okay. Download the T-Mobile Home Internet mobile app. I got 3 bars there, it looks like. That's what it says, yeah. Alright. It's installing it right now. Oh, it says to open. Alright, open. Okay, allow. Set up device. It's the gray one. Super confident. Where's number 8? Scan the QR code. Okay. Oh, don't move. Oh, shucks. I'm not very confident now. I'm trying to do. It's easier, I guess, if I'm not filming it. There it goes. Okay. Connected to power. I did that already. Wait 2 minutes. That's what it says, wait 2 minutes. I guess after this, the most important thing is trying to figure out where I can, where's the best place for it. I think that was the biggest trick. What is more information? Once the screen on top of your gateway right here has finished displaying animated T-Mobile, wait 60 seconds more to get it. Oh, I think I did that. Obviously, I didn't follow instructions. And I just plugged it in there. I know there's an internal battery built into this, so it can last a while. But we'll see. To be honest, I'm not even sure if this outlet has power. But, I don't think I ever put anything in that outlet before. But we'll see what happens. Alright, next. No. Oh, it's connected. Oh, wow. Alright. I'm gonna have to change it. Alright, let me